See here, in this question we have to prove tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant into cosecant. See, we are given in the question tan and cot, and we have to get the answer in the format of secant and cosecant. Okay, now we know that secant and cosecant are nothing but reciprocals of sine and cos and sine, whatever it may be. Secant is reciprocal of cos and cosecant is reciprocal of sine. So when we are to get secant and cosecant, first we should get sine and cos. So better convert tan and cot in terms of sine and cos, and we already know that tan theta is equal to sine by cos and cot is equal to cos by sine. So better convert it first. Now see here, the first step I'll let as it is, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. Now we know that tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta and cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. So I'll convert tan in terms of sine and cos. It will become sin theta by cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cot can be written as cos theta by sin theta plus again cot can be written as cos by sin, cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus tan can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Now before getting to the next step, first solve for the denominator in the both terms. See here, sin by cos, right, as it is sin theta by cos theta and divided by, see here the number, the value is 1, here the number is fraction. So what we have to do, we have to do cross multiplication. Sin theta into 1 will become sin theta minus cos theta whole by sin theta plus here it is cos theta by sin theta by cos theta into 1 cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now we know that whenever two fractions are there in a term, the fraction which is in denominator will become reciprocal when it go to numerator. So now I'll do it. Sin theta by cos theta into the fraction which is present in the denominator will be reciprocated when it goes to numerator. So into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, in the similar way, plus here cos theta by sin theta is in numerator, so write as it is cos theta by sin theta into cos minus sin by cos will be reciprocated when it go to numerator. That means it will become cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. And as I already told you, whenever expression contains two terms, you should keep bracket for that. Now see here, sin into sin will become sin square by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now before solving the next term, see here the term is sin minus cos, here the term is cos minus sin. Whenever we have to take common of these terms, they should be same. So that's why I am writing it as cos into cos, cos square by sin theta into, I'll take minus common and I'll write it as sin theta minus cos theta, since a minus b can be written as minus of b minus a. Right, see, if you put 1 minus, we can change the symbol. So that's what I have done here. Cos theta minus sin theta can be written as sin minus cos with this symbol. Now see here, Sin minus cos is present both here and here. So take the entire term common. So we are left with 1 by sin theta minus cos theta, and we are left with only sin square by cos minus cos square by sin. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఒక సెకండ్. See, it is like we are having 1 by 2x minus some 1 by 3x. 1 by 2x, 1 by 3x. Okay, now when you want to take common x, how will you take common x? Because x is present in denominator. So when we are taking common, it should be written like that, 1 by x. Since it is in denominator, ఎందుకంటే డినామినేటర్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం కామన్ చేయడం అంటే పైన 1 వేసుకొని కామన్ తీయాలి. ఎందుకు? x అనేది కింద డినామినేటర్లో ఉంది కదా, సో అందుకనేసి మనం పైన 1 వేసి కామన్ తీయాలి. సో 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. x కామన్ చేస్తాం కదా, ఇక్కడ x కామన్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఏం మిగులుతుంది నాకు? 1 by 2. ఇక్కడ x కామన్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ మిగిలింది ఏంది? ఇక్కడ sin square by cos మైనస్ ఇది కామన్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ మిగిలింది cos square by sin. So we can calculate 1 by sin minus cos into sin square into sin cube. ఒక్క సెకండ్ ఇంత